In this video, you witness the fierce defense by the soldiers of the Rubij Brigade as they successfully repelled a mechanized assault. The enemy committed a large number of infantry in an attempt to break through our lines. Despite facing overwhelming numbers, the defenders managed to halt the massive offensive. The opposing forces had gathered significant strength, hoping that the surprise of their numbers and pressure would overwhelm our protectors. However, the resolute defense and tactics of the Rubij Brigade turned the tide, showing the determination and skill of Ukraine's defenders in this critical moment. The enemy's plan to seize the position by force was thwarted, highlighting the enduring resilience on the front lines. The vehicles were unable to continue their advance, showing how modern technology plays a crucial role in defending against mechanized enemy maneuvers. This scene underscores the adaptability and resilience of Ukraine's forces in dynamic combat situations. In this footage, the drone operator captures a striking moment. A Russian motorcyclist triggers a mine barrier during an assault attempt in the Donetsk region. The explosion halts the attack with fierce intensity, showcasing the dangers faced on the front line. In this segment, the drone squad of the SBS unit spots two enemy combatants hiding in a forest strip. Thinking they are unseen, the occupants try to remain still, possibly resting or hiding from the drones. But the FPV drone operators take no chances and relentlessly pursue them through the bushes. This footage reveals the tense cat-and-mouse game on the front line, as our defenders use cutting-edge technology to maintain control and prevent surprise attacks. The operation ended with the successful neutralization of both targets, demonstrating the precision and effectiveness of modern drone warfare on the front line. In this part of the video, the enemy combatant seems to be taking cover or possibly resting. The operator's mission is clear. It doesn't matter if the occupant is resting, he's on enemy soil and under watch. By some miracle, he emerged from the explosion unharmed and walked away without hesitation. Somehow, the explosion spared him. He calmly approached a nearby trench, took off his helmet, and settled down. Immediately after the occupant took off his helmet and lay down, another drone operator from the same SBS unit wasted no time. With calm precision, the operator executed a carefully targeted strike. The power and accuracy of the hit were undeniable, and the footage clearly shows the outcome of this decisive action. This moment highlights the precision and efficiency of modern drone operations in neutralizing threats on the battlefield. In this rare and explosive footage, an FPV drone catches a Russian soldier playing with a gasoline canister in the bushes. Moments later, a powerful blast erupts, an epic explosion resulting from the soldier's dangerous mistake. In this footage, you see the redrone unit expertly carrying out its mission. At first glance, it might not look like much, but the targets here are crucial. Russian forces frequently use these assets in their assaults, often with significant effect. The footage captures a motorcycle, a truck, and a tank, each a key component in the enemy's offensive operations. Motorcycles allow for rapid movement and surprise attacks, trucks bring supplies and reinforcements, and tanks provide heavy firepower and protection to ground troops. Every successful strike on these vehicles disrupts the enemy's momentum, buys critical time for defenders, and prevents them from consolidating gains. This segment highlights how every piece of the enemy's machinery counts in battle, and how hard our forces work to neutralize these threats. Trucks and supply vehicles might seem less dramatic than tanks, but their role is equally vital. They carry ammunition, fuel, and reinforcements vital for sustaining operations. Taking out these targets disrupts supply lines, forcing the enemy to slow down or halt their advance. Each destroyed truck weakens the enemy's offensive potential on the ground. Tanks remain a cornerstone of ground warfare, providing heavy armor and firepower to enemy units. Disabling even a single tank can significantly hamper an assault, reducing the enemy's ability to push forward. Watch closely how the drone operators anticipate the tank's movements, positioning their strikes to maximize impact while minimizing missed opportunities. Neutralizing moving targets like tanks, trucks, and motorcycles is one of the most challenging tasks in drone warfare. Success depends on a combination of technology, skill, and timing. Every strike you watch reduces the enemy's ability to coordinate, resupply, and fight back, ultimately tipping the balance in favor of the defenders. Up next, watch a series of explosive moments where FPV drones strike moving enemy vehicles. From heavily armored tanks to fast-moving motorcycles and vital supply trucks, each target plays a key role in the battlefield dynamics. These clips showcase the relentless precision and speed with which our operators disrupt enemy maneuvers. Sit back and witness the decisive actions that keep the enemy off balance.